Once again, we are meeting here for this math quiz, right? Yes. Once again, we are meeting. I can already see a message from Arya Nandini. Yes. Hi, Arya Nandini. A very good morning. Okay, we have one more who has joined in. Yes, Gopal Patra. So, very good morning, Gopal. Satvik. Yes. Good morning, Satvik. We'll just wait for a couple of minutes to see if some more children are joining in. Okay, and then we will quickly begin our quiz for today. So, children, I hope y'all have had a wonderful long weekend, right? Y'all had Independence Day holiday and then Saturday, Sunday. And I guess most of y'all might be having a holiday tomorrow also for Raksha Bandhan. Probably. I'm not sure. Okay. So I hope y'all are enjoying your holidays and making the most of it, using it productively. So y'all can type in the chat of any new activity y'all have done over this weekend. Good morning, ROE. I'm fine, thank you. Just one more minute and then we will start, okay? I know you all are too excited and eager to start do the quiz. Yes, so just one more minute. If anybody else is also joining in, we'll see. And then we will quickly begin. Yes, it was a lovely long weekend for me. I really enjoyed it. Though I had work, but yes, a lot of other things I could do over this weekend. So it was really fun, especially Independence Day. It really makes us feel proud that we have completed 78 years of independence. So, how many of you all went for flag hoisting and Independence Day celebration? You all can put it in the chat. Oh, hi, Modipta. Good to see you again. All right, okay. I think we can begin now. So, once again, welcome everyone to this Me and Maths live streaming that we are having, live session. Okay, so I would like to wish you all a very all the best, and yes, I'm sure you all are going to enjoy doing this quiz today. All right. Okay, so here comes my very first question. Okay, which reads as, which one of the following has no line of symmetry? Which one of the following has no line of symmetry? So I hope everybody knows the concept of symmetry. And yes, okay. Okay, I've already started getting answers. बढ़िया बच्चों बढ़िया वेरी गुड इतने फटाफट से मुझे आप लोग आंसर दे रहे हो तो कितनी अच्छी बात है तो गोपाल ने मुझे आंसर दिया है बी ओके सो रीड द क्वेश्चन प्रॉपर्ली विच इज सेइंग which one of the following has no line of symmetry? So does this shape have no symmetrical line? this does amongst the four which has no line of symmetry at all. Modipta, you typed L or I don't know what, but वैसा कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है हमारे पास, खाली ए बी और सी डी है। तो उनमें से ही हमको कोई सिलेक्ट करना है। ए जो बटरफ्लाई है, बी जो स्टार है, सी जो हार्ट है और डी जो स्क्वायर है। उनमें से लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री, जब मैं लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री बोलती हूँ, व्हेन आई से लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री, व्हाट डज इट मीन? So for example, if I have this rectangle and if I draw it divided equally, can I do that? When I draw a line across it, do I get the same thing on both the sides? Do I get a mirror image on both the sides? That is called line of symmetry. So a rectangle के lines of symmetry होते हैं, okay? Lines of symmetry होते हैं। तो ऐसे हमको फाइंड आउट करना है इन पिक्चर्स में से किसकी लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री नहीं बन सकती, कि हम उसको ऐसे इक्वली डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते ताकि दोनों साइड सेम दिखे, दोनों साइड मिरर इमेज आए। ओके, सो वैसा हमें ढूंढना है। ओके मौदिप्ता, आई डोंट नो, आपको सिमेट्री का कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं मालूम है, तो मैंने जस्ट अभी एक्सप्लेन किया है। वंस अगेन आई एम सेइंग, line of symmetry is that line which divides a shape in such a way that both the sides are same. Okay, they're exactly the same. It's like the mirror image, कि दोनों साइड हमको एक मिरर इमेज मिलेगा जिसको दोनों साइड पे सेम होता है। ओके, तो वैसा हमको पिक्चर देखना है जिसमें ऐसी लाइन नहीं बन सकती। ओके, आई एम गेटिंग आंसर बी। ऑलराइट चिल्ड्रन, so चलो let's see कौन सा आंसर सही है। ओके, नाउ आई हैव दिस बटरफ्लाई। चलो, तो इफ आई ड्रॉ, मैं यहाँ पे एक लाइन ड्रॉ करूँ। हाय लावण्य, गुड मॉर्निंग। ओके, सो यहाँ पे मैं लाइन ड्रॉ करूँ तो मुझे दोनों साइड पे एग्जैक्टली सेम मिल रहा है क्या? अगर इस बटरफ्लाई ये जैसे कि मिरर है तो दोनों साइड मुझे सेम दिख रहा है? आई गेस नो। So if you see this side, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dots in the wing of the butterfly. और यहाँ पे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ही है, पर इनका प्लेसमेंट देखो, ये एग्जैक्टली सेम दिख रहे हैं हमको दोनों साइड पे? आई डोंट थिंक सो, राइट? ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी द स्टार। अगर मैं यहाँ पे इफ आई ड्रॉ दिस स्ट्रेट लाइन, मुझे दोनों बाजू सेम मिलेगा? Yes, you see, this side also I have the same half. उसको मैं exactly half में divide कर पा रही हूँ. I'm able to divide it exactly into half. Same thing is with the heart. If I draw a straight line, I'm exactly getting the half of it, right? So this also has a line of symmetry. And this is a square, which is quite obvious that yes, if I draw, 1 second. Sorry, I drew the line a bit crooked. Okay, so in the square also, if I draw and try to divide it, I will definitely get two equal halves, right? दोनों बाजू मुझे सेम मिलेगा अगर मैं ऐसे सीधी लाइन बीच में बनाऊंगा। ओके, सो ओनली बटरफ्लाई इज द पिक्चर जो मैं उसको एग्जैक्टली हाफ में डिवाइड नहीं कर पा रही हूँ। सो माय आंसर इज ए। ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो अंडरस्टैंड what do we mean by symmetry, okay, and then you all can solve the questions. Okay, so I hope now it is clear कि symmetry, line of symmetry क्या होता है। Okay, you all can give me a thumbs up if you all have understood. Yes, okay, no worries, you don't need to say sorry, it's okay, we do make mistakes. Okay, now I'm sure my children are going to answer correctly the next questions that are coming up. Okay, so here we have the question which says, in which of the following dotted lines shows a line of symmetry? यहाँ पे हमको ये ढूंढना है कौन सा शेप का लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री है और वो एग्जैक्टली हाफ में डिवाइड हो रहा है। ओके, प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में हमने देखा कि कौन सा शेप डिवाइड नहीं हो पा रहा है, विच शेप we do not have the line of symmetry, but here you have to find out which shape has a line of symmetry. All right, so you all have to see all the four shapes कि कौन सा shape exactly half में divide हो रहा है. Now this is very easy, children. I am sure all of you all can give the correct answer. Which shape is exactly divided into half? Okay, I'm getting answers as B. Okay, Maudipta, Q. There is no option as Q. Okay, B. Meera, no, Tejashri has given the answer B. Okay, very good. Yes, yes, absolutely. The correct answer is B. It is the shape Q, this shape, right? Why? Because ये जो line है बीच की हमारी इस स्टार शेप को एग्जैक्टली हाफ में डिवाइड कर रहा है. यहाँ पे हमारे दोनों साइड्स सेम नहीं है. यहाँ पे ये देखो ये कैसा है. How is this? So this is not exactly the same on this side. Okay, same is with this alphabet L. Here we just have this much portion, but here we have this much portion, so it is not same. And it's the same with M. So you have on top we have this portion, but down we just have this much. So again it is not dividing it into exact half. So all the other three shapes do not have line of symmetry. सिर्फ ये स्टार की line of symmetry है क्योंकि वो exactly दो half में divide होता है. So my correct answer is B. Yes. So have my children got it correct? Yes, most of you all did get it right. Very good. Good job. Good job. Okay. So yes, that's it. Let's move on to the next question. I hope this is understood. I hope मेरे सारे बच्चों को ये समझ आ गया है कि answer B is the correct answer. All right. Okay. So are we ready for the third question? And here it is. Which of the following parts must be shaded so that the line PQ becomes the line of symmetry? Now, this is a big shape, right? And you can see there is this line over here diagonally drawn. Okay. So now when we look at it like this, I mean, of course, we have to look at the picture a little. We have to rotate it and see. So when we look at it like this, here, which parts, now you have to compare these two, right? ये दोनों तो है ही है, या ये line of symmetry है, तो one, this and this shape is same, and this both sides are same. So now we have to make this and this same. Okay, these two squares same. तो यहाँ पे कौन से मैं शेड करूंगी कि इसको ऐसे हाफ में डिवाइड करने के बाद ये साइड मेरा मिरर इमेज दिखे. कि अगर मैं इसको आईने में देखूंगी, मिरर में देखूंगी, तो मुझे which parts will be shaded over here? Which parts will be shaded over here? So should I shade 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 or 4? So you all have to look at this side, this square, and find out कि इसमें कौन सा मैं शेड करूंगी तो ये exactly symmetrical हो जाएगा, mirror image हो जाएगा. Okay, so think wisely, take a few minutes to understand and find out what is the correct answer. Okay, I've already started getting the answers over here. Most of you are typing the option C. Okay, Gopal has changed his answer. He's saying it's B. Okay, we will see in a while. Let others also think and reply. Okay, so I can see most of you all have answered C. And what is the answer C? It is 1 and 4. So if I shade 1 and 4, will I get the mirror image? Will I get the mirror image? Okay, yes, absolutely right. Because if I look into the mirror, I will find these two portions shaded, and they have to be opposite only because here both are opposite. I cannot take two because it will be on the side, which is not possible. Even three, which is on the side, it is not possible. But if I take two and three, ये तो वैसे का वैसा ही आई मीन इट विल नॉट बी द मिरर इमेज राइट. हमको तो यहाँ पे सामने ही ये ऐसे दिख रहा है, तो मिरर में थोड़ी ना ऐसे दिखेगा. मिरर में हमको तो, वैसे दिखेगा जैसे कि उसका रिफ्लेक्शन गिर रहा है. ओके, so yes, absolutely right, Tejashri, Anand, Arya, Nandini, all of you all. The correct answer is C. Yes, the correct answer is C, which is 1 and 4 that we have to shade. Okay, absolutely correct. Yes, very good. Most of you all have answered the option C, which is absolutely right. So good job, wonderful job done by my children. Keep it up. Okay, all right, excellent. So let's move on to the next one now. What does this question say? Which of the answered figure is the mirror image of figure X? Okay, जो X है मेरा figure X है ये this figure. Okay, उसका mirror image कौन सा होगा? If the mirror is PQ, ये PQ मेरा mirror है, तो इसका mirror image इनमें से कौन सा होगा? Which will be the mirror image of figure X? Okay, so here, if it is mirror image, okay, so you will be seeing the reflection of it. So carefully select amongst these four options. इन चारों option में से कौन सा इसका mirror image है? So I'm waiting for the answers quickly, children. Let's put. Is it that difficult that I'm not getting answers? Come on, children, buck up. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, Gopal and Modipta have given the answer C. Arya Nandini has given the answer C. Aarti Priya has given the answer C. Okay, so everybody is giving. Tejashri is giving the answer C. Okay. All right. So all of you all, in fact, whoever has given the answer to this question has given the answer C. Okay. Now I've got a different answer, that is B. Okay. All right. So let's see first whether it can be B or not. Okay. So we have this figure and here we have this figure, right? So if I look at this, for example, if I look at this letter in the mirror, I will be able to see it like this. The C will become like this, right? We will not have C like this. The first alphabet, C will become like this. X is going to remain the same because in the mirror it is going to look this way only. And B will again become inverted. So these were the main alphabets which would get inverted. Then we have A, which is going to remain the same. Yes, Z will be inverted. So we have like this. Again, E will be inverted, right? And D will be inverted, right? Because we are looking it in the mirror. So which option matches this? Option C. Yes, very good. Now everybody has understood. And yes, all of the children who gave me the correct answer in the first go only, it was absolutely right. And congratulations to all of them. So we have Tejashri and Modipta, Gopal, Aarti. Okay, Abhishek changed his answer then. Yes. And Fatima, Anu, all of you all. Congratulations. You all have definitely got the correct answer, which is C. C is exactly the mirror image of this figure X. Okay. So remember कि जब भी हम मिरर में कोई भी फिगर देखते हैं तो उसका इन्वर्टेड दिखता है, उसका थोड़ा उल्टा दिखता है. So that you have to keep in mind. Okay. All right, very good, very good. Good attempt. All of you all are really, I'm liking the enthusiasm that all of you all are showing. You all are really so interested in participating. I'm loving the way you all are participating also. Okay, next comes the question which reads like this. Which of the following parts is not embedded in the figure X? Okay, now we have this figure X which has different parts in it. Okay, so we have to find out which part is not there in this figure. Which part is not there in this figure? Okay, look at the four options. इनमें से which कौन सा shape जो है वो ये बड़े rectangle के अंदर नहीं है. Okay, it is not a part of that rectangle. So you all have to give me the answer. चलो quickly see and tell me कौन सा ऑप्शन करेक्ट है, कौन सा ऑप्शन ऐसा है जो ये बड़े से फिगर एक्स में नहीं हमको दिख रहा है. Come on children, I'm waiting for your answers. Okay, I've got an answer from Tejashri and Gopal, I guess. Yes. D, A, D, A, D. Okay, Modipta is given D. Okay, she's changed her answer to A. Okay, okay. Look at it carefully and find out. मुझे बताओ कौन सा ऐसा फिगर है जो ये फिगर X में नहीं दिख रहा है हमको. Okay. Hi Swadhin. Yes, you can start. You have already started participating. Well, good. So you have given the answer A. I can see Prince who's given the answer C. I've got different answers for this one question. Almost all the options have been selected. Children, please look at it carefully and decide wisely which shape is not a part of the figure X. Okay, let's see. So now coming to this figure, where can I see this figure put over here? See, I can see the figure B, which is over here. So this is definitely there. Okay. I can also see, okay, let me erase this. Yeah. I can also see the figure A over here, which goes like this. Figure A is over here. This is figure A. This is figure B. Okay, now let me erase this so that we can find the rest of the figures. Okay, now coming to figure C. Can I see this figure anywhere? Okay, here it is. So figure C is there, right? So I have figure C. Now coming to figure D. Can I see the figure D anywhere? No. So my correct answer is D. Yes, children, whoever has given the answer D is absolutely correct. This figure is not embedded. ये इस figure X में नहीं है. Okay? ये जो ऑप्शन डी था हमारा वो हमारे फिगर एक्स में प्रेजेंट नहीं है. ओके, सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज आंसर डी एंड वेरी गुड. I can only really see answer D given, but yes, whoever's given the answer D, congratulations. It was a bit tricky, but you all got it. So good job, keep it up. Okay, now let's move on to the next question that we have, which reads like this. Select a figure from the options which forms the correct mirror image of figure X. So figure X कौन सा है? ये है अभी इसका मिरर इमेज कौन सा बनेगा, कि मिरर के ये साइड उसका रिफ्लेक्शन कौन सा बनेगा, यू हैव टू टेल मी दैट. ओके, सो एम और एन इज द मिरर, दिस इज द मिरर. तो अभी इस फिगर का ये साइड लाएंगे है तो कैसा दिखेगा. यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट दैट ऑप्शन. इज इट ए, बी, सी और डी. कम ऑन क्विकली find out and tell me which is the correct mirror image of figure X. Which is the correct mirror image of figure X? Let's do it, find it out quickly and type the answers in the chat. I'm waiting. Okay, I've already started getting the answer that they are. Okay, Gopal, you can type the answer once, okay? And I can see all of you all have given answer B. Oh my God, we all think answer B is correct. Okay, so let's look at option B. So here, when I put the image, yes, this comes, this color is there. This also, the purple portion also comes here, white portion. So yes, absolutely. This portion is also exactly here. So this is the correct answer, and congratulations to all my children. All of you all given me the answer B, which is absolutely right. Yes, you all are observing it so carefully. Very nice, and keep up the good job. Yes, this is the mirror image of figure X. This is the mirror image of figure X. B. Very good. Very good. Okay. Keep up the good work. So B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. Very good. Very nice. Okay, so let's proceed to the next question. Question number 7, which reads as, there are dash symmetrical figures and dash non-symmetrical figures amongst all these alphabets that are written. So now you all have to tell me all of these, out of these alphabets, how many are symmetrical, means how many can be divided into equally half, and how many we cannot divide into equal half. Okay, so please look at the figures carefully, alphabets carefully, and see किसमें सिमेट्री की लाइन बन सकती है. कौन से ऐसे अल्फाबेट्स हैं इनमें से जिनको हम एग्जैक्टली हाफ में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं और जिनको हम हाफ में डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. ऐसे कितने कितने अल्फाबेट्स हैं, दैट वी हैव टू फिल इन द ब्लैंक. Okay, so see carefully whether we can divide A into half, whether we can divide P into half. It can be with any side. Okay, we can look at it vertically also, and we can look at it horizontally also. There should be no line of symmetry if you are selecting it as symmetrical, non-symmetrical. Chalo, quickly. Have I got answers? Yes. Okay, I have got options A, D. Okay, D, 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 D. Okay, so D option is where we have 3 symmetrical and 3 non-symmetrical shapes. 3 shapes जिसमें line of symmetry बन सकती है और 3 shapes जिसमें line of symmetry नहीं बन सकती है. I am sure. Okay, everybody is giving me the answer D. Okay, so let's check out. Let's check out कि हम इसकी line of symmetry बना सकते हैं या नहीं. किसकी बना सकते हैं और किसकी नहीं बना सकते. Let's find out. So now we have option A. So option alphabet A. इसकी तो line of symmetry बन गई. ठीक है, if I divide it like this, it can be divided into 2 equal halves. Okay, Now coming to P, I cannot divide it into half like this because both sides would not be same. Neither can I divide it like this. So again, both the sides would not be same. Okay, so we have one symmetrical shape and one non-symmetrical shape. Now again, coming to S, can I divide it into half like this? Both the ways? No, because they would not form the mirror image. Okay, coming to E, yes, this is a symmetrical shape because if I draw a line of symmetry horizontally, I can divide it into equal halves. Okay, yes. So we have two symmetrical shapes. Now coming to option to R, alphabet R, if I draw like this, wait, let me erase the rest of the line so that we don't get confused. Okay, we have two symmetrical shapes up till now and two non-symmetrical. Now, R, can I divide it into half like this? No. Even if I draw vertical line, I cannot divide it into half, right? Okay, coming to the third, last option W, if I draw horizontal line, no, I cannot divide it. But yes, if I draw vertical lines, I can divide it into two equal halves. So I have three symmetrical figures and three non-symmetrical figures, which gives me the option D as the correct option. Very good, children. So whoever's given the option D as the correct answer, wonderful. Good observation skills they all have. And this has definitely given you all the correct answer. Okay, so keep up the good work. Congratulations to all of you. Okay, so moving on to the next question. I hope you all liked this question. Let's move on to the next one that we have here. Okay, once again, this is also going to be not so difficult. Okay, so which of the following shapes is not embedded in figure X? So similar question that we did before. Out of these shapes, इन shapes में से कौन सा shape ये figure में नहीं आता है? Okay, so चलो quickly find out and type the answers. Find out and type the answers. Whether this figure, this figure, this figure, this figure. कौन सा figure ये figure X में नहीं आता है? Not embedded in figure X. You have to find out. Okay, am I getting answers? Yes, I'm waiting. And it's very easy. Yes, I've already got an option A. I've already got the option A. C. Okay, Arya Nandini has given me the option C. Okay, let's start from option D and see whether these figures are there in figure X or not. So we have this kind of a triangle, which I can see it over here. Okay, so I have this triangle. So option D is not the one which I can say it is not embedded. I have option D. Now let me find out of the figure C whether it is there or not. So I have this. Yes, I can see it over here. That figure C is embedded over here. Okay, so which is also not my correct option. Then I go to B and find out whether do I have B over here or not. Okay, so do I have this triangle? Yes, I do have this triangle over here. Okay, so option B is also there embedded in figure X. So that is also not my option that I can select. Yes, coming to option A. Can I see that shape in my figure X? I don't see this kind of a pentagon in my figure X. ये figure X में मुझे ये वाला pentagon shape नहीं दिख रहा है. So my correct answer is option A. Very good. So children, whoever have given the answer A is absolutely right. Yes, most of you all have then given the answer. Modipta, Gopal, Abhishek, Anu, and no, it cannot be answer C because I have already shown the shape, right? Answer, the shape C is present over here. It's there over here. Okay, so here we have the shape C. So That is there. Only shape A is not there in this figure X. So my correct option is A because they have asked me which is not embedded in figure X. Okay. So A is the correct answer. Very good. Whoever has given the answer A. Good job. Good job. Keep it up. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question that we have. Okay. Now this is also again very easy. Given below is a folded form of paper. Okay. I have taken a paper. I have folded and this shape is seen. This shape is seen when I have folded. So the fold is over here, this side. Okay. You can see the broken lines. That side is the fold. Okay. So when I fold it, it looks like this. But when I open it, how will it look? That is what you have to tell me. Okay. Which of the following is the correct figure when the paper is unfolded? जब मैं उसको खोल दूंगी तो वो कैसा दिखेगा? ओके, ये फिगर के पेपर को जब मैंने फोल्ड किया है तो वो ऐसा दिखता है, पर जब मैं उसे खोलूंगी तो वो कैसा दिखेगा? दैट यू हैव टू टेल मी. ओके, अलोंग द डॉटेड लाइन, ये फोल्ड है, इस यहाँ से ये पेपर हमें खोलना है और खोल के वो कैसा दिखेगा? यू हैव टू टेल मी आउट ऑफ these four options which is the correct option. Yes, Arohi, sorry, I tend to forget your names because and whatever is visible to me over there, I okay. Okay, I have got answer D, A, D. Everybody's giving me the answer D. Okay, all right. So let's see. Yes, whoever has given the answer D is absolutely right because when I will open this figure, this paper, I will have one rectangle forming out, okay, and one triangle, right? So the triangle is at the tail portion, so which is over here, and this is the rectangle that it will form. So absolutely right. Whoever's given the answer D, congratulations. You all have done a fabulous job. Okay. All right. Great. Let's move on to the next question. Congratulations. Yes, everybody's giving hearts and congratulations sign, right? Okay, very good. Now, find the mirror image of figure X if the mirror is placed along the dotted line MN. So here is my mirror. Okay, imagine that this is my mirror and this is figure X. तो इसका मिरर इमेज ये साइड पे कैसा दिखेगा? आपको मुझे वो ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट करके क्विकली बताना है. ओके, सो विच इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन? ए, बी, सी और डी. मिरर इमेज कौन सा इसका सही बनेगा? You all have to quickly tell me. इनमें से ए, बी, सी एंड डी में से ये जो अल्फाबेट्स है इनका मिरर इमेज कैसे बनेगा? सी, बी, सी. Okay, most of you all are giving the answer C. So Adin has given the answer C. Arohi has given the answer C. Very good. So even Tejashree has given the answer C. Oh my God, everybody is giving the answer C, which is absolutely correct. Yes. So we'll start with E, alphabet E, and alphabet E will be inverted, right? Like this. Okay, O will remain as it is. M will become inverted like this, and B will be inverted. Right, so this is the mirror image of these letters of figure X, which is option C, and all of you all who have given the option C is absolutely correct. Good job, congratulations, wonderful. This is the 10th question, Modipta. I don't know. You're always interested to know which number question it is, huh? Okay, all right. Let's move on to the next one. Question number 11. Okay, question number 11. Now you all have to tell me which of the following figures is symmetrical along the dotted line. Quite easy. The dotted line is drawn. Both the sides mirror image has also been drawn. You just have to find out which is exactly correct. Which mirror image is exactly correct. Okay? So let's find out. Let's find out. Okay, so all my children have been able to guess which is the correct answer. I have got some options in the chat which reads as C. Okay, everybody is giving me different answers. I'm getting option A, C, D. Nobody wants to give the option B. Okay, yes, whoever has given the option C is absolutely correct, because if you look at this figure, this is my line which represents the mirror, and both the sides are exactly the same. Both the sides are exactly the same. So option C is correct, children. Okay, and both the sides here are exactly the same. So here, if you look at option B, some of you all have given me the option A. Okay, let me show you what is the difference in A. If you look at this portion and this portion, so here it is curved, but here it is straight. So this is not a mirror image, right? If you look at option B, here, this is the difference. So here it is a concave shape, and here it is like a triangle kind of a thing. And D में again ये mirror image नहीं हो सकता है, क्योंकि जो चीज ऊपर है वो नीचे आ रही है, जो चीज नीचे है वो ऊपर आ रही है, ऐसे क्रॉस में डायगोनली आ रही है, जो गलत है. सो दिस इज नॉट द मिरर इमेज, दिस इज नॉट सिमेट्रिकल. द करेक्ट आंसर इज सी, क्योंकि यहाँ पे एग्जैक्टली सेम दिख रहा है मुझे मिरर के उस पार भी, द रिफ्लेक्शन इज द सेम. ओके, सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी. ऑलराइट चिल्ड्रन, आई होप everybody is understood. सबको समझ आ गया why C is correct. Okay, all right, good attempt. At least all of you all try to give lucky day. Okay, yes, probably it's your lucky day. Not only lucky, but it's your efforts also that you're putting in, right, to find out the correct answer. Very good. Okay, now coming to this shape X. Select a figure in which shape X is exactly embedded as one of its part. कौन से शेप में ये फिगर जो है X वो हमारा आ रहा है? कौन से ऐसा शेप है जिसमें मेरा फिगर X embedded है? Okay, in which figure, which option is figure X embedded? So you have to tell me that, find out and tell me in which figure it is embedded. Okay, so this figure, slant line, the slant, this, and then here, it is embedded in which figure? It's very easy, quite obvious, in front of our eyes only. You just have to focus a little bit and find out in which option A, B, C or D is figure X embedded. Okay, Swadhin says C. We'll see. Let the others also answer. Okay, everybody is giving the answer C. Oh my God. Is answer C correct? Okay, where are the others? I've got only 2 answers. Come on. It's like a nose. Yeah, you can say that, Modipta. What an observation. Okay, I've got an answer C as again. And yes, let me tell you, it's definitely your lucky day. So answer C is absolutely correct. So here is where I can find this figure. You can see that nose shape, what Modipta has described. Yes, it is there in option C, which is absolutely correct. So congratulations to all of those children who have given answer C as the correct option. Good job. Very good. Okay. So this is the second last question for today's session. So let's quickly answer this. Which of the following figures has only 2 lines of symmetry? कौन सा ऐसा फिगर है इन चारों ऑप्शन में से जिसकी 2 लाइंस ऑफ सिमेट्री है? Okay, 2 lines of symmetry. If you draw it vertically, also it is equally divided into half. If you draw it horizontally, also it should be divided into equally half. It's a very easy question. Okay, look at it carefully. कि मैं vertically और horizontally दोनों symmetrical lines बनाऊं तो half में divide होता है या नहीं? Come on now, let's answer this question, children. Can I divide u into 2 halves, or can I divide this plus sign into 2 halves? Can I divide this triangle and make 2 symmetrical lines? Can I divide this rectangle and make 2 symmetrical lines? Only 2 lines of symmetry, okay? Not even more than that. Only 2 lines of symmetry. Read the question properly. कौन सा ऐसा shape है जिसमें खाली 2 lines of symmetry है? Okay, not even more than that and not even less than that. उससे कम भी नहीं होनी चाहिए, उससे ज़्यादा भी नहीं होनी चाहिए. So Swadhin, you're giving me 2 options, but I said only 2 lines of symmetry. It should not be even more than that. So I've already given you the hint. Okay, be careful. Okay, I'm waiting. So most of you all have given me the answer D. Modipta, Gopal, Sweetie, Abhishek, Arohi. Okay. All right. So most of you all have given me the answer D. Okay, let's check it out first. Starting with figure A. So if I draw a vertical line like this, yes, it gets divided into 2 halves. But can I draw the horizontal line? No. Then it cannot be divided. So this figure has only 1 line of symmetry. इसकी खाली एक ही line of symmetry. Second, coming to B, when I draw a line like this, yes, it can be divided into 2 halves. When I draw a line like this, yes, it can be divided into 2 halves. But here the catch is that when I draw a diagonal line, a slant line, जब मैं slant line draw कर रही हूँ तो भी वो 2 halves में divide हो रही है. So यहाँ पे there is only 1 line of symmetry, but यहाँ पे there is 3 lines of symmetry. So I cannot select this option as well. What my question says, only 2 lines of symmetry. Yeah, sorry, Arya Nandini. I keep forgetting. I'm sorry. Yes. So this is also not my correct option. So I think this is what I was telling you to focus on. Okay. So be careful. Now here I can draw 1 line of symmetry like this, but there is no other line of symmetry that I can draw. So I can only, this only has only 1. Okay. Now coming to the rectangle, I can draw like this. I can draw like this. So rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. So my correct option is option D. Rectangle does not have a diagonal line of symmetry. We cannot draw that because if we draw that, it will not be divided into equal parts. Okay, it will not have the mirror image. You see, this is not a mirror image. So the correct option is D, because rectangle has only 2 lines of symmetry. Okay, they have asked that only 2 lines. This plus sign has 3 lines of symmetry. So I cannot select the option B. All right. So children, I hope you all have understood. Is it clear? Okay, great. Now let's come to the last question once again. And yes, this is also a bit tricky, but very much fun to do. So yes, I'm calling your name Swadhin only, dear. Okay, how many triangles are there in the given figure? Come on, quickly count and tell me. How many triangles are there in the given figure? Last question for today's session. Each and every small to big, all the triangles you have to count. Okay, am I getting the answers? Yay. Yes, Arya Nandini, okay. Come on. How many triangles can we see in this figure? Okay, I'm getting answers B, C, D, A. Okay, this time I'm getting all the options. Some are saying 11, some are saying 12, some are saying 10, some are saying 14. Okay. All right. I think we can start counting since I have got so many answers. So let's start. Okay. I have this one triangle. Okay. I have this second triangle. I have this third triangle. Okay. Fourth triangle. Triangle, sixth triangle. Right. So 6 I have got like this. All right. Okay. Now let me erase all this. Okay. Now let's look at it like this. 7, 8. Because all these small triangles I've already counted. Okay. 8. Now okay, I have this 9 and 10. Okay, so I have been able to find 10 triangles. I have been able to find 10 triangles, and this whole figure has 10 triangles. I don't know how did you all get 11, 12, 14, if you all have found more. So I'm not sure, but yes, it has 10 triangles, which is correct answer. We have only 10 triangles in this figure. I don't see 11, 12, 14 triangles. So please count properly. And the correct answer is 10. The correct answer is 10. Okay. So there are in all 10 triangles in this figure. All right. Yes, some of you all did get it correct. So whoever's got it correct, absolutely a good job. Very good. Keep up the good job and congratulations. But I really loved the enthusiasm that all of you showed towards participating in this session. Even if your answers were wrong, but at least you'll put an effort. At least you'll show that attempt to try and answer those questions. So that is really amazing. Okay, so this was the last question for today's session, and I hope all of you all enjoyed and enjoyed the topic of symmetry and have understood it pretty well. So I hope it has given you a good practice. So yes, time to bring today's session to an end. Yes, so time to bring today's session to an end. I hope all of you all enjoyed. You all can put your feedback, and yes, time to say goodbye. See you all again very soon in a lovely session like this. Okay, see you all. Bye bye. Take care.